Wow, man, can't work out any better. Couldn't work out any better. I'll tell you what, them Axemen, buddy, ain't got nothing on this old boy. They ain't got a thing on this old boy. Got them big fancy yarders and all them big equipment. Hey, bring them down here to Tennessee, I'll yarder them. I'll show them what a yarder is, buddy. Right there's a yarder. Oh, Lord. Yeah. Now I gotta pull it up here. I'm gonna put it up there to my brush pile and saw it up. I had to stop here and had to move that string. I had my crappie pile where I catch my crappie, and I got a string that goes up through here. And there's a farthest brush pile out there. And what I do, keep fishermen from finding it. The way I find it, I just pull that right down, pull that rope, and that jug goes under the water. And I want to find my brush pile. When the lake comes up, just let it go. There she is. I tell you what, if a man just stayed around me for a week, he'd learn a lot of information. He'd know how to do anything. But got old Sally here. I'm gonna pull her right on up there, take a saw and saw it up, and get ready to burn the brush pile here one of these days. Catch kind of a rainy day. And that's it, boy. I can't wait till the lake comes up. Whew. Oh, Lord. Get this lake on up. I can't wait to start bass fishing. But anyway, well, let's get on up here. Oh, Lord, 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 Lord. Oh. I think he's going to catch that string there. Yeah, it has. Let's shoot. Ah! Thought I pulled it down far enough there. Always something to mess a man up. I might pull it uphill a little bit. It's going to hit that stake. If I pull it up through here, if I turn that belt up, that's going to be the next problem. I need to pull it up here in the grass. I don't know how I'm going to do it. I'm going to watch if it don't turn that belt up. Whew. Yeah, that's what I figured. Well, that should be good enough, I think. Now I gotta fix that. I swear, man, I ain't got nothing but problems.